Hi everyone, welcome back to Property Cloud. I am Roshni and today we are going to talk about one of the East Bengaluru's most anticipated lakefront residential development, Brigade Lake Crest, located on Old Madras Road in Battarahalli, right next to the serene surrounding of Battarahalli Lake. This premium development by Brigade Group brings together luxury living, beautiful view and excellent connectivity. In this video, we will talk about the project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers and much more. So let's start with the project overview. Brigade Lake Crest is a premium pre-launch residential development spread across approximately 6.5 acres of prime land in East Bengaluru. What makes this project stands out is its strong focus on open space and nature-inspired living. More than 80% of the development has been dedicated to landscape gardens, green zone and outdoor recreational areas, creating a peaceful environment that feels far removed from the city's hustle and bustle. The project features 4 elegant high-rise towers with a structure of 3 basement, ground floor and 28 upper floors, offering a total of 604 thoughtfully designed residences. One of the biggest highlights of Brigade Lake Crest is its strategic location situated on Old Madras Road. Battarahalli Lake is located just about 1.1 kilometers from the project. Bodigiri Cross Road can be reached in around 5.1 kilometers and residents will also benefit from quick access to KR Puram, Whitefield and several major IT corridors. And when it comes to amenities, Brigade Lake Crest has been thoughtfully designed to promote wellness, recreation and community living. Residents will have access to a meditation garden with a water features, a mega sport courtyard, a swimming pool, a grand clubhouse, a fully equipped gym, landscape garden. The entire development has been planned around the idea of encouraging a healthy, active and nature-connected lifestyle while providing modern convenience for every age group. Brigade Lakefront offers a variety of spacious apartment configurations designed to suit different family requirements and lifestyle. The 2 BHK apartment range from approximately 1,326 to 1,524 square feet and are priced between 1.52 crore rupees onwards and 1.87 crore rupees onwards. These homes are ideal for young families, working professionals and investors looking for a premium address in East Bengaluru. And for those who need additional flexibility, the 2 BHK plus study configuration spans approximately 1,598 square feet and is priced between 1.95 crore rupees onwards. This layout is perfect for buyers looking for a dedicated work from home space, study room or multifunctional area. The 3 BHK residences range from approximately 1,640 to 1,902 square feet and are priced between 1.99 crore rupees onwards. These homes have been designed for growing families who appreciate spacious living spaces and modern layout. For buyers seeking a more premium offering, the 3 BHK with a maid's room or home office spans approximately 2,161 square feet and is priced between 2.70 crore rupees onwards. This configuration offers larger living areas, enhanced functionality and greater flexibility for modern lifestyle. One of the standout aspects of Brigade Lake Crest is its focus on spacious floor plans, premium specification, excellent cross ventilation, large windows that allows abundant natural light and beautiful lake facing view. And when you book your home through Property Cloud, you also receive several exclusive benefits including best price assurance, priority access to inventory, transparent deal support, complete buying assistance, site visit coordination and zero brokerage for buyers. During your site visit, you will get a detailed project presentation, a walkthrough of the master layout, configuration comparisons and amenities tour, pricing discussion and a complete understanding of the project's investment potential and future growth prospects. So if you are looking for a premium lakefront residences, spacious layout, world-class amenities, excellent connectivity and a strong long-term appreciation potential, then Brigade Lake Crest is definitely a project worth exploring. For latest pricing, detailed payment plan or to schedule a site visit, you can check the link in the description. And if you enjoy such premium property videos, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services and much more.